In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a flywheel bolt the easy way, and this method also works for the crank pulley bolt. Let's get started. What's going on, everyone? If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So, it's raining right now, so sorry about all the loud rain in the background, but a lot of people have been messaging me, asking me what a good method would be to remove the flywheel bolts or the crank pulley bolt. So I'm going to show you a method that works really well, and it only requires these three pieces right here. So let me get started showing you how to do that. Alright, first you're going to want a bolt that will fit into the flywheel bolt threads here. We're basically just going to tighten it in. You can tighten it by hand and it works perfectly fine. I've never had an issue. Then you'll need a transmission bolt that bolts to the transmission, the engine of the transmission, and you'll put it up here in this spot. Now with a wrench with the open ends on both sides works the best, but you can probably just use any old wrench. You're going to want to put that in here and wedge it up here like that. Now this won't go anywhere when you go to loosen it, but I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to show you with the impact first to show you that they're really tight. As you can see, it didn't want to come loose at all, so I have to put this back in now. Now we're going to use the breaker bar and I'll show you how to loosen it. I already loosened this one. That's how simple it is to loosen these up. There's a lot of people I see struggling to do this. They don't have an impact and they just want to be able to get it off. So I hope this method helps someone out there be able to loosen their bolts up. This also does work on that crank pulley bolt. You just have to go the opposite direction that this is set up. So you'd go to this one over here. I figured I'd just make this video for the people who have requested. I just figured I'd make a quick video showing you guys how to do that in case you didn't already know. So I'm going to go ahead and get to pulling this apart, and I will have a video coming out soon going over some of those details. So if you're new here, definitely consider subscribing, check out my other videos, and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, God bless.